Welcome to the MyGeoTokens Genesis NFT minting tutorial. We're excited to have you along for such a pivotal step in the MyGeoTokens journey. We'll guide you through the process of minting your very own Genesis NFT. Let's begin. First, head over to mygeotokens.com and click on Mint Now. Before you can begin the minting process, make sure to have your Phantom wallet funded with enough Solana to cover the minting and transaction fees. You can refer to our previous tutorials for a complete end-to-end walkthrough of the processes required to mint an NFT. Take a moment to go through the information on the minting page and understand all the details before moving forward. When you're ready, hit Mint Now and you will receive a prompt to select your wallet. If you have Phantom installed, your wallet will be detected automatically. You may need to enter your password to unlock your Phantom wallet. Next, you'll need to approve a few transactions required for minting, which includes agreeing to the minting terms and the fees involved. Determine the number of Genesis NFTs you'd like to mint. Remember, if you're on the whitelist, you can mint up to 5. The system will automatically check if you're whitelisted. Each NFT will cost 2 Solana for those on the whitelist. Transaction fees are small on Solana Network, but make sure you have more than 2 Solana in your wallet to cover not just the purchase, but also any related fees. Review the total cost and quantity of your NFTs, then confirm the transaction to complete the minting process. After a few seconds, the transaction will be completed, and you'll see the details of your newly minted NFT on the MyGeoTokens site, including tier and number. If you're whitelisted, you will have the option to share your NFT on Twitter to receive a small rebate in Solana. A pre-filled tweet will be provided, but feel free to showcase your NFT. For a more detailed view of your transactions and MyGeoTokens NFTs, you can open up your Phantom wallet. Here you will see an in-depth view of your transaction history, and you can also view your newly minted NFT, the floor price, and the number of holders, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully minted your Genesis NFT with MyGeoTokens, stepping into a realm beyond mere digital collectibles, gaining access to a suite of utilities, and becoming part of a community filled with like-minded explorers. We're delighted to have you on board for a journey with MyGeoTokens. We can't wait to show you what's next.